In this video, I'll show you how to easily embed TikTok feeds like this on your WordPress website with no coding needed. To do that, we'll be using the Smashballoon TikTok Feed Pro plugin. To purchase the plugin, head over to smashballoon.com, and once purchased, you can find your download link and license key for the plugin inside your Smashballoon account. Download TikTok Feed Pro and head over to your WordPress dashboard. Now, inside your dashboard, on the left-hand side, hover over Plugins and click on Add New Plugin. Next, go click Upload Plugin, and upload the zip file for TikTok Feed Pro, like this, and click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate Plugin. And there we go, TikTok Feed Pro has been installed and activated. To get started with our first TikTok feed, we first have to activate the license key. On the left-hand side, you'll now notice TikTok feeds. Go ahead and click on that, and inside the plugin, you can go ahead and paste your license key at the top here. Paste it like this, and click Activate. Now our license key has been activated, and we can begin creating our TikTok feed. At the top, click Add New, and for our first step, we'll have to connect our TikTok account. At the bottom, click Add Source, and then click on Connect with TikTok. This will take you into TikTok, and if you're already logged into the account you want to embed inside your feed, go click Authorize down below, or if you want to switch accounts, you can click on Switch Account at the top. I'm going to go click on Authorize. Next, you should see this pop up here asking you to confirm if this is your domain. Click Yes, it's my domain. This will bring you back inside the plugin. You should now see your TikTok account as a source here. Go ahead and select it and click Next. For our final step, we'll have to select the template for the layout of our TikTok feed. We have several options like the default, cards, list, latest video, carousel, and showcase carousel. For this video, I'm going to go with the carousel template and click Next below. And just like that, we have a beautiful preview of our brand new TikTok feed. This feed is currently featuring all the latest videos from our TikTok account. And because we chose the carousel layout, site visitors can easily swipe through the videos like this. This feed is now ready to be embedded on your WordPress webpage, but before we do that, let me show you how we can customize this. On the left-hand side, under the Customize tab, click on Layout. Inside, you'll find several options to modify the layout of your TikTok feed. Currently, we have the carousel layout selected, and as I've shown you, you can swipe through the videos inside your feed like this. And at the top, we have the grid layout, which displays your TikTok videos in rows and columns. Next, we have the list layout, which displays your videos in a single column list. And lastly, we have the mainstream layout, which displays your videos in rows and columns, but with the captions in their original sizes. For this video, I'm going to stick with the carousel layout, and if you scroll down below, you can choose how many videos you want to display inside your feed. Currently, we're displaying 10 videos inside our TikTok feed, but if you wanted to change that, you can simply go ahead and enter the number of videos you want to display. I'm going to change it to 6, and you can see instantly that our TikTok carousel is now only featuring 6 videos. I'll change that back to 10, and below that, you can also choose how many columns you want to display inside your feed. Currently, we have 3 columns selected, but to change that, all you have to do is enter the number of columns you want to display inside your feed. For example, if I wanted 5 columns, I can just change it to 5, and instantly, you'll have 5 columns inside your TikTok feed. I'll change that back to 3, and down at the bottom, we have some specific customization options for the carousel layout. The first one allows you to show navigation arrows beside your carousel, like these. Underneath that, you can also choose to show the pagination, which is at the bottom here that we clicked before. And the last one here enables autoplay. This means that your carousel will automatically swipe through the videos inside your feed like this. I'm going to disable it, and if you're happy with the layout of your TikTok feed, go click Save on the top right corner. Next, if you want to modify the header of your TikTok feed, under the Customize tab, click on Header. And inside this menu, you can see all the different elements inside the header, such as the profile picture, name, username, and more. Each of these elements are fully customizable, and you can choose which ones you want to show inside your feed. For example, if I wanted to hide the profile picture, you can simply go and uncheck it like this. And instantly, your profile picture is now hidden inside your feed. I'm going to bring that back. And you can do the exact same with the name, username, description, and more below. I'll bring those back. And if you wanted to hide the header entirely, you can simply go ahead and toggle it off here. And as you can see, our header is now hidden inside our feed. For this video, I'm going to bring that back. And if you're happy with the header of your TikTok feed, go click Save on the top right corner. Lastly, if you want to moderate the videos inside your TikTok feed, go to the Settings tab and click on Filters. Here, you can add words as filters to hide or show videos containing those words. This way, you have complete control over the videos you display inside your feed. And if you make any changes, make sure to click Save on the top right corner. Now that you know how to create and customize your TikTok feed, let me show you how to embed it on your WordPress webpage. To do that, click on Embed on the top right corner, copy your dedicated shortcode, then click on Add to a page. Next, select the page you want to add your feed to, and click Add. This will take you to your WordPress webpage, and to embed your TikTok feed, simply go ahead and add a shortcode block, and paste the shortcode you copied earlier, like this. And there we go, all you have to do now is click Update, and check out your live website. And here we are now on our live WordPress webpage, and right in the middle we have our brand new TikTok feed that we just created. All our TikTok videos from the account we connected with the plugin are displayed inside this feed in the carousel layout. So site visitors can easily interact with your TikTok feed by swiping through the videos like this. If someone wants to watch one of your posts, they can simply click on it like this and watch the video directly on your WordPress website. And inside each video, they can see the number of views, likes, and the caption for that video as well. And at the top of your TikTok feed, you have the header, and on the right hand side, you have a follow on TikTok button. If a site visitor clicks on that, that will take you directly to your TikTok profile. And that's how we embed a TikTok feed inside your WordPress webpage. But if you're wondering if we can embed it inside the sidebar or footer of your website, we definitely can. Let me show you how. Back inside the plugin, I've just created a second TikTok feed for the footer of our website. To embed this inside the footer, click on Embed on the top right corner, copy a dedicated shortcode, and instead of clicking on Add to a Page, click Add to a Widget. This will take you into the WordPress Widgets menu. And to embed our feed, go ahead and add a shortcode block inside the footer, just like this, and paste your shortcode once again. Now click on Update, and let's take a look at what it looks like inside our live WordPress webpage. And here we are back on our live WordPress webpage, and right in the middle we have that TikTok carousel feed we created earlier with swipeable posts just like this. And now if we look into the footer, we have a second TikTok feed right inside the footer of our WordPress website. And this one is just as fast and responsive as the first one. And if I click load more, it will load even more videos directly inside the footer of our website. So you now know how to create and embed TikTok feeds on your WordPress webpage, both on your page and inside the footer as well. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, please let me know in the comments below. If you run into any technical issues, please contact our awesome support team. They'd be happy to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn about social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.